welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pallavi Khanna and I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So if you have come here for the very first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, let's dive straight into the video. I'm going to do a different kind of a video. It's going to be an unboxing video of a parcel that I received yesterday from Nykaa. So guys, I had ordered some stuff from Nykaa from Inside Cosmetics. Looking at all the reviews around the internet, I was tempted to buy it, and so I ordered quite a few products around a full face of makeup from Inside Cosmetics from Nykaa. So here I have the box. This is how it looks like, you guys. I have opened it and I have taken out the bubble wrap, and look at this. We have so much stuff. Okay, you guys, so I did open it and now I'm going to pull out the items one by one, and I'm going to show you up close how the items look like, and we're going to test these items very soon in the next video. So if you want to see their application, how they wear on the face, then do check out the next. First item that I got is a foundation. This is the ultra thin Second Skin Longwear Foundation from Inside Cosmetics, and I'm going to show you up close how this looks. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. It's a frosted bottle, and it doesn't feel very cheap but doesn't feel very good. Plus the product that you get is a little less. I feel it's about 20 ml, which is a little less, but the price is also less. So I mean, it's fine overall. I mean, let's see how it performs and then we can tell. My shade is 03 Sun Beige. I'm gonna do a color or shade test right here. Okay, so to my surprise, it is a very good shade. Like, it clearly blended. You can't really see it in the camera, but it clearly blended, and it looks super skin-like. So I mean, I agree with the second skin thing that they write on the bottle. Plus it's not full coverage, like it's definitely medium coverage, light to medium coverage. You can build it up, I think, with the consistency. I think I can say that, but we're only gonna know when we test it out, which is the next video. Moving on, the next product that we have right here is the concealer. Yeah, this is the HD Conceal High Definition Concealer from Inside Cosmetics. This is how it looks. So guys, I did try it out and it is a little pasty. Like, the consistency, I feel it's not like the LA Girl one, because I have used that right now, and this is, I mean, a little, I can't explain the texture, but it's a little pasty. Also the color, I think it is not the exact color, but I think we can work with this. The shade, I'm trying to find out the shade. So the shade, I think, yes, the shade is 03 Honey, and I think it is a little light. I'm going to show you. So guys, the shade is definitely a little light for me, but I think when we blend it and we do the contour and everything, it's going to look fine. But for now, this is what I have to say about the concealer. Moving on. Okay guys, so the next product that I have is this. This is a compact powder that I got from Inside Cosmetics. The shade is MN20, in case you guys are wondering. And let me open this. Okay, so this is how it looks. So this is how it looks, and I think it is my shade. It looks like I'm an NC 35 to 40, and I think it's gonna work for me. Yes, I definitely think this is gonna work for me, and it looks amazing. So I can't wait to try this on super soon. Okay guys, moving on, the next product that I have is Duo 2-in-1 Stick from Inside Cosmetics. Actually, I used to say Inside Cosmetics all this while, but I've just realized it's called Inside Makeup Essentials. Okay, so whatever. I'll call it Inside Cosmetics. Okay. So I got this duo stick that I'm going to show you right now up close and personal. But before that, I must say, it looks very similar to the Maybelline one, like the Maybelline duo stick. Highlighter on one end and contour on the other looks very similar to that. I mean, the concept is the same. Obviously, the packaging and all is different. This is more transparent, and I'm going to show you. So first I'm trying the contour side. This is how it looks. I'm going to swatch it. Looks really creamy. It looks really creamy and it is a perfect shade I think for my skin tone, because this is very cool tone and I'm slightly on the darker or the warmer side, and I think it's going to look really nice on my skin tone once I blend it and I do the rest of the steps. I think it's going to really look very nice. And on the other side we have the highlighter. Okay, this is how it looks. It's very um, bang on highlighter, like I don't know how to say, but like a very like it's very much on your face. It's definitely creamy and I think it definitely would blend, but I'm not very sure how it would look on my skin tone. I think it would look great on fairer skin tone, but I'm not sure. Let me show you guys. Guys, I'm a little tempted to use this highlighter, so I'm going to try it on this side of my face. I am going to grab the mirror. Not actually a mirror now that I see. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's not like a glass mirror. It's a mirror film, that you used to get in those really cheap cosmetics. So I am going to try this on this side of my face. And I am going to blend it a little bit with my finger only. I think it looks really nice. Like, to my surprise, I felt like it's going to be very, not like a very sharp line and not matching my skin tone at all, but it looks really nice. I'm looking at the monitor and I think it looks really nice. I'm quite surprised. I really want to try it with all of these products really soon. The next product is another highlighter. So I'm really sorry, when I ordered all of these products online, I forgot what all I'm ordering and I just got so tempted to try this highlighter out that I was like, let's just take it. And later on I realized that I've ordered two highlighters, which is also fine. But this one is the Inside Makeup Essentials Insta Ready Illuminating Highlighter. It's in the shade Blushed Copper 04 Blushed Copper. And guys, I will not lie to you, I did open it before because I was too tempted, and this component, like right now I've sticked it, like I've really pressed it hard, but this component came out and that was really disappointing, because I mean, it's cheap and all, but we don't want the component to jump out on us. So I mean, that's a little disappointing, but it's okay. Let us try it out. Okay, so this is a very pinky highlighter. It also comes with a brush on the other end that you can use and you can sort of blend this. It's not a brush, it's like a sponge kind of a thing. You can like really go ahead and blend it. Next product that I have right here is a liner. It's called, what is it called? It's called the Liner Express 12 hours long wear smudge free liner, and this is a matte liner, and I haven't tried out matte liners before, so I'm really tempted to see how this performs on my skin. I think you've got to shake it or something, not really sure, but I'm gonna shake it and I'm gonna like swatch it right now. So guys, I think it would perform really nicely because I can see the swatch. It's a very fine swatch. It has got a felt tip, so, and it's got a really pointed tip, so you can really go in and make that wing if you like wing liners. And it turns matte after you put it. After about 10 seconds it turns matte, so that's something new because I was into using glossy stuff earlier, and this is something new for me, so I really want to see how this performs. Okay guys, moving on. There was no eyeshadow palette whatsoever on the app. I'm going to leave a screenshot right here so that you guys can have a look and know by yourselves there was no eyeshadow palette whatsoever from Inside Cosmetics. But I did get the metallic eyeshadow and I will swatch it for you guys. The next product, we are left with 4 products. So the next product is the Insight non-transfer lip color. I am going to show you the swatch of this one. It's a very bright color, though they say it's not transfer proof, but it's a very bright color and I'm not sure if I would actually use this. So guys, this is how the component looks like. Looks really nice and solid. It says it's not transferable. And here is the swatch, you guys. It's a very bright red color right here. Guys, moving on, the next product is the Inside Cosmetics mascara. So guys, this is how it looks. This is how the wand looks like. Looks really promising and I can't wait to try this out. So guys, moving on, the next product is this makeup fixer spray from Inside Cosmetics. This is how it looks. It is a white plastic bottle and I think it looks amazing. It's definitely got no smell. Looks very promising. Moving on, the next product is this Inside Cosmetics primer. So guys, to be honest, this primer costed more than usual. It costed me around 250 rupees, which is not less. It says it's 3 in 1, so it primes, moisturizes and protects your skin. Can't wait to try this out. Okay guys, so with that we reached towards the end of this video. This is all I had for you, and I had about 11 items, like almost a full face of makeup. I think the only thing we are missing on is blush and I think a little bit of an eyeshadow thing, but we still have the metallic eyeshadow, so we can put that to test. But this is a full face of makeup from Inside Cosmetics. It's a relatively new brand that I discovered recently on Amazon and on Nykaa, and I was like, let's dive straight into it because it costed really less amount of money. I want to say it was really cheap, and I ordered all of this for 1900 rupees. I think you've seen the MRP by now of all the items. So in the next video we are going to try these products out. So if you really want to see how they perform and if you can really make a kit for yourself in just 1900 rupees, then stay tuned and look up for the next video. So guys, if you like the video, then please like it, do share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. We have crossed 100 subscribers, and that's really very special for me, and I hope to touch the 1000 milestone really soon. So guys, please contribute for that. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and thank you so much.